Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Oracle Database 19c Enterprise Edition on Windows 11 Professional Operating System. So here you can see that Windows 11 is newly arrived from Microsoft on PC segment. So before we proceed to install, let me show my system information. So this is my virtual machine. Windows 11 virtual machine contains 16 GB RAM and Windows 11 Professional Edition. And let me show my processor. So virtually I allocated 6 processor. So it's a 6-core virtual machine. So Oracle Enterprise Edition support unlimited databases. Okay, so here you can see that I have already downloaded Oracle Database 19c for Windows as a zip file. So I am going to extract this zip file to one directory. So coming to the point, Windows 11. So those who wish to install Oracle on Windows 11, make sure that you have at least 8 GB of RAM, because 4 GB will be occupied by Windows 11 and minimum 3 to 4 GB might be required by Oracle Database 19c. So at least 8 GB laptop or desktop will be good for this Oracle Database Enterprise Edition installations. Okay. So before we set up the database, it's always a good habit to create a new user to manage the Oracle database. So here I am creating one new user account on Windows 11. So this user is going to manage the Oracle database. So I am giving the username as Oracle. So this Oracle user is going to manage this Oracle database 19c. So basically Oracle Enterprise versions will not allow administrators to manage the database. So we need to create one separate user to manage the Oracle instance. So Windows user account called Oracle is created successfully. Now let me log out or sign out this current user. Okay, so I have successfully logged in as a Oracle user. Now let us start the installation. Let me go to the directory where I extracted the installation files. So Oracle 19C is a directory. So now let me run this setup.exe as an administrator. So setup has started. So this is the Oracle database 19C installer. So here you can see that I am going to create a single instance only, which means that it's a standalone instance. Here I am choosing desktop class because desktop class is good for the Windows 11 like operating system. So Windows 11 is a desktop operating system, so I have chosen the desktop class. Next I am creating providing the credential for the current Windows user. So current Windows user is Oracle, and providing the password for that, so that this user can manage the Oracle instance. Okay, here you can see that it's asking for Oracle base directory. Provide the Oracle base directory where you want to install the database files. Also you can see that two database will be created. One is ORCL, another one is ORCL PDB. Here ORCL is a container database and ORCL PDB is a pluggable database. So provide the password. So password should be alphanumeric character with at least one letter should be uppercase and lowercase. So note down the Oracle base directory, passwords, and Oracle database name and pluggable database name. So if you want to modify also, you can modify. Click the next button. So it checks for the prerequisite. Yes. So prerequisite check is passed. So and here is a summary of the installation. So these are the stuffs Oracle database 19C installer is going to install. So save the response file, which will be useful for you. So note down all the settings and in database information, whatever is going to get installed, which will be useful for you. Okay, now you can click the install button. So Oracle database 19C installation is started on Windows 11 operating system. So it will take a little bit time, and make sure that you didn't block anything in Windows firewall. So especially port number 1521, make sure that you did not block port number 1521, because that is a default database port for Oracle. Yes, so it's asking for access. So click the button allow access. So java.exe. Okay, you can view the installation details by clicking that details button. Okay, so Oracle database 19C installation is completed. So note down all the port numbers settings. So and you can see that enterprise manager will be running on the port 5500. So database name is ORCL and pluggable database name is ORCL PDB. Both will be running on the port 1521. So note down all the information. Okay, so let us navigate the Oracle base directory. So this is Oracle base directory. So these are the directories created after the installation. So ORA data. So this ORA data directory is very important directory where all the database files of the database instance are stored here. So this is ORCL database. So these files are ORCL database files, and there is a separate directory for pluggable database. So ORCL PDB is having separate directory, contains separate database files. PDB seed is a template like database files used to create pluggable databases. So make sure that don't delete or touch these files. So Aura data stores all the database. So next is CFG tool logs. So this CFG tool logs stores all the installation logs. So you can see all our log files generated after installation. During the installation, these log files are created. So in case of any database failure or failure of installation, you can check this log what had happened. So this log shows what had happened during the installation. Okay, that's all about Oracle base directory. And this is Oracle 19C admin, network admin. Yes. So here you can see that some files have the extension .ora file. So these are nothing but listener configuration. So this is listener.ora file which has Oracle listener configuration. So if you are expert means you can modify this configuration files, sqlnet.ora, tnsnames.ora. So if you are expert means you can modify this file accordingly to your needs. So beginner, don't touch this file because Oracle listener takes this configuration files. Read this configuration file. So in case you did wrong means Oracle will not run. Okay, there is another directory under Oracle 19C CFG tool logs. So this directory also contains log files. So under two directory you can see the CFG tool logs. Okay, one under Oracle 19C and one under Oracle 19C base. So these log files used to track what had happened during the database installation and configuration. Everything will be tracked. Okay, let us go to Windows menu. So here in Windows 11 menu, you can see that Oracle 19C products are got installed. Now I am opening SQL Plus, login as sysdba, provide the password which you given during the installation. Okay, I am able to log into Oracle database 19C enterprise. So let me run one sample query which selects all the DBA tables. So all these are DBA tables. Okay, let me open the Edge browser. Okay, now I'm checking the enterprise manager. So this is the enterprise manager URL. So now I am logging as a sys. So enterprise manager application used to monitor the Oracle database and including container and pluggable database. So this application used to analyze, monitor the database instances. So all monitoring related activities will be there in this enterprise manager, and performance related graphs, everything will be displayed here. Okay, make use of this enterprise manager. So it's providing good user interface for monitoring. Okay, let me log out. So no other information regarding Oracle Enterprise Manager. Okay, now I am going to open SQL Developer. So I think SQL Developer is available in Oracle 19c itself. So I think it's asking for something. Okay, no problem. So what I am going to do is I am going to separately download JDK and SQL Developers, download and install. So I am going to install latest SQL Developer so that latest features will be available. So here you can see that I already downloaded JDK and SQL Developer latest one. So I am going to extract and install this one. So I am speeding up this activity because everyone knows about the SQL Developer installation. So instead of wasting the time, I am speeding up the video. So I'm setting Java home. So JDK 11 used to run SQL Developer. So SQL Developer is started. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to create a new Oracle connection manually. So first connection, I am going to log in as a sys user to the container database. So I already told container database contains pluggable database also. So there will be one sysdb account for container database. So sys role select as sysdba, provide the sys password. So SID select as ORCL. So I already told that ORCL is the name of the container database. So I can able to connect to the SQL Developer as a sys account, sys user. Now I connected to the container database. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create one container common user, that is container database user, called c hash Scott. So there is no user called c hash Scott. So I am going to create a common user, that is container database user, called c hash Scott. So this c hash is mandatory so that we can identify it's a container user. Okay, so create user c hash Scott identified by Tiger. So Tiger is the password for the user c hash Scott. Grant unlimited table space to c hash Scott and grant resource DBA connect to CSS Scott. So these grant privileges will allow CSS Scott user to play the DBA like role. Okay, grants are succeeded. Okay, now let me create one more Oracle connection. Now I am going to log in as a C#Scott common user to the container database. So here SID provide as ORCL, don't forget it. Test the connection, everything is fine. Connect it. Okay, so I have logged in as a C#Scott user successfully. So I didn't see any table, so I am going to create one table, insert one record, and I am going to select the table. Yes, so I have created one table, inserted record, and select the table. So everything is fine. So C#Scott user creation is successful, and I can able to create the table also. Okay. So now I am going to create another Oracle connection. So now I am going to log in as a sys user for the sysassist DBA for pluggable database. So previously I have logged in as a sysassist DBA for container database. Now inside the container database, pluggable database will be running. So each pluggable database will has its own DBA, own users, table space, etc. So here service name, provide the service name as ORCL PDB, which means connect as a sysdba to ORCL PDB pluggable database. So now I am connected to the pluggable database. So let me expand the tree. So these are the users available in the pluggable database. So PDB admin is the user is going to administer this database. So I am going to run this two grant commands for PDB admin from ORCL PDB sys account. Yes, grant privilege. Okay, everything is fine now. So now I am creating one more Oracle connection. So now I am going to log in as a PDB admin. So PDB admin is a user already available in the ORCL PDB pluggable database. So this PDB admin only going to manage this database. So I have already granted the privileges. So service name ORCL PDB. Yes, success, connected. So PDB admin account does not have any table. So let me create the table, and I am going to insert one record and select the table. Yes, so everything is fine. I can able to create table, insert record, commit it and select the table. So Oracle Database 19C Enterprise Edition installation on Windows 11 Professional is almost done. So everything is working fine on Windows 11 operating system. So nothing serious in Windows 11. So Windows 11 is smoother. So it's running fine. Okay, now let me go to Windows 11 menu. I'm going to start the utility called Oracle Instance Manager. Okay, so I'm going to start and stop the database using Oracle Instance Manager. So now you can see that service name is running, Oracle service is running. So I'm going to stop this or shutdown. Okay, I'm giving shutdown immediate and stop the instance and service. So provide the sys password, sysdbs password. So when you bring down the ORCL database, means both ORCL and pluggable database both will be down, because pluggable database running inside the ORCL container database. Okay, so Oracle instance has stopped now. Let me check in SQL Developer. Let me try to rerun the query. Yes. So this shows that Oracle instance and service are down. So beginners, make use of this Oracle Instance Manager. No need to provide any commands. You can use this tool to stop and start. So now I am starting the instances back. So Oracle startup will take a little bit time than shutdown. Depends upon your computer speed. Yes. So you can see that I have restarted the Oracle service and instances. Let me rerun the query. Okay, so let me refresh or reconnect. Yes, so it's refreshed. So SQL Developer automatically refreshes the connections. Okay, now I am going to run one query. Yes, okay, I can able to connect now. $PDB. So this will list down the list of pluggable database. Yes. So here you can see that ORCL PDB pluggable database in mounted state, which means that ORCL PDB is closed and not open. So I am going to run this query, alter pluggable database ORCL PDB open. That's it. So this will open the connections to the pluggable database called ORCL PDB. So I am running this query as a sys user from container database, that is from ORCL database I am running this query. Yes, so connection is open. Now let me connect the PDB admin. Yes, connection is refreshed. I can able to view the data. Yes. So Oracle Database 19C Enterprise Edition installation on Windows 11 is successful. So make sure that you have enough RAM memory. So 8 GB of RAM is recommended when you run Windows 11 operating system.